When people talk about car reliability, they usually blame brands, bad luck, or maintenance habits. But the real story is written under the hood. Long before a car reaches the showroom, engineers make design choices that determine whether it will run smoothly for years or slowly become a problem. In this video, we're going under the hood to explain what actually makes a car reliable or problematic, using real engineering principles instead of opinions or marketing claims. What this video will teach you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how engineering decisions affect long-term reliability, how to spot red flags before they turn into costly repairs, and why some cars age gracefully while others fall apart even with proper maintenance. This breakdown will help you think like an engineer, not a salesman, when evaluating any car. Engine design, stressed vs balanced. The most reliable engines are usually not the most powerful ones, because reliability comes from balance rather than performance. Engines designed with reasonable power output, proper lubrication capacity, and conservative tuning experience less internal stress and wear. Problematic engines are often pushed too hard for their size, creating excess heat and pressure that shorten the lifespan of internal components over time. Cooling systems and heat control, heat management, is one of the most overlooked aspects of reliability, yet it plays a major role in whether a car lasts. Well-engineered cars use properly sized radiators, durable hoses, good airflow, and intelligent component placement to control temperatures. Poorly designed cooling systems may work when the car is new but slowly allow heat damage that leads to leaks, sensor failures, and engine breakdowns. Transmissions reveal a lot about a car's reliability philosophy. Reliable vehicles typically use proven transmission designs with clear service intervals and effective cooling, while problematic ones often rely on complex or heavily stressed systems that are sensitive to heat and fluid condition. When a transmission is difficult to service or marketed as maintenance-free, it's often a warning sign for long-term ownership. Material quality and component choices. What separates reliable cars from problematic ones is often the quality of materials used throughout the engine bay. High-quality rubber seals, proper wiring insulation, and heat-resistant plastics age far better than cheaper alternatives. Cost-cutting in these areas leads to cracked hoses, electrical faults, and oil leaks that appear gradually and become expensive to fix as the car gets older. Simplicity vs unnecessary complexity. Well-engineered cars aim for simplicity where possible, because every added component is another potential failure point. While modern technology can improve efficiency and safety, excessive complexity increases the chance of long-term problems. Cars that rely heavily on software, sensors, and tightly packed systems often become problematic as those components age and interact in unpredictable ways. Serviceability and maintenance design. A car's reliability is also shaped by how easy it is to maintain. Cars designed with accessible service points encourage regular maintenance and lower repair costs, which directly improves longevity. Problematic cars often require extensive labor for simple repairs, making owners delay maintenance and accelerating where that could have been prevented. Real-world wear and usage patterns engineering quality becomes obvious when a car is exposed to real-world conditions like heavy traffic, heat, rough roads, and long-term daily use. Vehicles that consistently reach high mileage in taxi fleets, delivery services, or family ownership tend to be well engineered. Cars that struggle in these conditions often reveal weaknesses that were hidden during short-term testing. Common warning signs of poor engineering. Certain patterns often indicate potential problems, such as recurring overheating issues, frequent oil leaks, electrical malfunctions, and early transmission failures. These symptoms usually point back to fundamental design choices rather than isolated defects. And recognizing them early can save owners from costly surprises later. A car's reliability is not an accident, it's the result of disciplined engineering, quality materials, and respect for long-term ownership. Cars become problematic when manufacturers prioritize cost savings, performance numbers, or visual appeal over durability and serviceability. Understanding what's under the hood allows you to make smarter buying decisions and avoid cars that look good today but fail tomorrow. If this under-the-hood breakdown helped you understand cars at a deeper level, hit the like button and subscribe to the Car Blueprint for honest, engineering-focused car content. Comment below and tell me which car you want us to analyze next, and I'll see you in the next video.